Okay, I'm just putting in full screen, sorry. Alright, response to Charlottesville. The semantic analysis and observations, I found that McAuliffe, he experienced little to no deviations. I thought everything he said in the speech had meaning and it flowed together pretty nicely and he was more straight to the point. While Donald Trump, he emerged some deviations. He used more filler words that didn't have as much meaning or correlation to the speech. He kept saying, before I make a statement, I need the facts, so I don't need to rush into a statement. So making the statement when I made it was excellent, which doesn't make much sense to his speech. And he also said, in fact, the young woman who I hear is a fantastic young woman. I hear she was really actually an incredible young woman, which I don't think really has much to do with the speech he was talking about. They're kind of just filler words. For the syntax analysis, I found that McAuliffe, he experienced no deviations there. His sentences flowed nicely and they're built well, they make sense together. He used a variety of different words and doesn't repeat himself, while I found that Donald Trump, he did experience a few deviations. He had more utterances, like he kept saying, excuse me. I mean, he was being kind of interrupted by the audience, but yeah, he did have some utterances there. He did repeat some words a few times, like, I need the facts, I like to know the facts, I want the facts. He said that and other sayings multiple times during his speech. I graded McAuliffe a 4 on the semantics and Donald Trump a 3. I kind of explained my reasoning before. Same with the syntax. I graded McAuliffe a 4 and Trump a 2. For organization, I graded McAuliffe a 4. I thought his ideas flowed after one another and his speech is well organized. I gave Trump a 3. I think his ideas kind of flowed together, but his utterances and repetition of words made it more hard to follow. He didn't have that much structure to what he was saying as much as McAuliffe did. And for engagement, I thought McAuliffe did a pretty good job with engaging with his audience. He addressed the audience appropriately, but he wasn't as engaging as I thought Trump was. Trump engaged with the audience using more body language and hand gestures. And for a total, McAuliffe, I gave him a 15, and President Trump, I gave him an 11. Some course concepts I observed. Trump's clip had more utterances than McAuliffe did. Listening to his speech and the utterances made it more distracting listening to him, but I think he did a better job at engaging with his audience because of it. McAuliffe had more complex sentences than Trump did. Trump tends to use more short and simple sentences in his communication. That's just how he speaks. McAuliffe had a better communication framework than Trump did. He executed ideas in a more organized manner. Trump engaged with his audience more by using hand gestures, while McAuliffe didn't. I mentioned that previously. And Donald Trump tends to repeat different things multiple times in his speech, but he mostly just switches the wording around. And that's it.